Hi, my name is Jafar. I'm a videographer and content creator. And in this video, I'll break down how I created this teleportation effect all inside of Adobe Premiere Beta in partnership with Adobe Video. First, you'll need a shot of you acting as if you'll teleport, then a shot of you acting as if you've just teleported, and lastly, a clean shot of your background. It's important that it's all shot without moving your camera. So let's hop into Premiere Beta. When you've imported your clips into your timeline, you want to put your background layer at the bottom and then your two teleportation clips at the top and line them up like this when you want the teleportation effect to happen, just like this and this. The next thing you want to do is go to your tools area and select the object mask tool. Then go to the preview screen and select yourself and go to effect controls and press on this track button and let it do its magic. And after that, we'll drag the mask into the opacity layer, just like this. And as you can see in the preview screen, we've masked out ourselves. Then we'll do the same thing with our second clip. And as you can see, we are masked out just like that. And we can turn on our background layer. And now to get that teleportation effect, we'll need to go to the effects panel and search for directional blur, and we can find that here and drag that onto both clips. And then we'll go to the 3 last frames of our first clip and we'll go down in effect controls to directional blur. And what you want to do is first set the amount to 0 and then click on the stopwatch so that you can animate it, and then go 3 frames forward, which is your last frame. And here you want to set the amount to about 15. And then you'll do the same thing with your second clip, but on the other way. So in effect controls, we'll click on the stopwatch and we'll set it to 15 and we'll go 3 frames forward and we'll set it to 0. And thank you for watching and keep creating.